Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix any streaming problems with your TV like lagging, low resolution, poor internet connection, application problems, black screen, unresponsive remote pictures, sound and much more. This works on all TV brands. So you just hold down the power button, keep on holding until your TV restarts. So let's go. Hold down the power button, your TV will turn off. Keep on holding until your TV restarts and then let go. Now just let go the button. So that's it for today. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.